friends, welcome to Vlogtober day 17. I cannot believe that we are already 17 days into daily vlogging. That feels crazy to me. I just finished work and I'm just about to go get my hair done, so I'm gonna bring you in with me. Hopefully my hairdresser Caitlin doesn't mind me filming a little bit. And yeah, see how the night goes.
Old married lady.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's terrible. I can't believe people say that to you. My little cousins that were there, they refused to call me anything other than Mrs. Douglas. And we would be like at the beach. And they'd be like, Mrs. Douglas, Mrs. Douglas. And I'd be like, don't call me that. And they'd be like, why? And their mom was like, oh, they think you're like mad at them. And I was like, no, I'm not mad at them. It's just like they didn't call me Miss Shaw before. Why are they calling me Mrs. Douglas now? Like that's just like I'm not used to responding to it.
No, that was like that's what we only did. Hey, used to camera.
It's all good.
The wedding was good.
Yes.
Good. How was the reception and everything? Everything went well.
Yeah, everything did. Our piñata went over super well, so that was fun.
Piñata.
Yeah, like adults were like diving on the ground.
That's awesome.
My cousin was like, I was down there and I was trapped, and I was like, I have kids, they need me. That was super funny.
That's sweet.
So what we're doing with my hair is that we're adding in a little bit of dark at the top and making it like an ombre that basically hides my roots. So it's like almost like my natural color at the top and then into my highlights at the bottom, and just darkening it up a little bit and making it look very purposeful instead of just rooty.
A little more dimension, a little bit more flow, and a little bit more blend.
Yes. There we go. Back at home, I'm really happy with the way that my hair turned out. We did put some dark in the top and I really like it. I think it looks nice and natural, and I'm gonna insert a picture here of what it looks like from the back because I can't film it very well. But I'm really, really happy with it. And then tonight for supper, having spaghetti squash lasagna. So this is really easy. It's just spaghetti squash with a layer of ricotta and then tomato sauce, and then the same thing again. And then Parmesan cheese on top, bake it in the oven, and it's super yummy. It's veggies and a really protein-rich cheese with a low-fat ricotta. And yeah, I really like it. Alright, that's gonna be it for the vlog today. I hope that you liked the pictures and the video of my hair transformation. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and I'm gonna leave a link down below for my hairdresser's Instagram. She is absolutely incredible. She did my hair for my wedding, and I was just so happy with how everything turned out. Alright, I will see you tomorrow. Bye!